Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is, if the line of this equation is y equal to minus 5x by 3 plus 10, how to calculate the area of this square? How can we solve this? We will solve this question by two methods. The first method is, let this length is a, then this length will be also a, and if we put x equal to 0, we will get y equal to 10. So this length from here to here, this is 10. Now if we put y equal to 0, we will get 5x by 3 equal to 10 and 5x equal to 30, and from here we get x equal to 6. So this length is 6. Now this length will be 6 minus a. Now if we look at the triangle, this large triangle and this small triangle, these two triangles are similar. If they are similar, we can write a divided by 6 minus a equal to 10 divided by 6. Simplify this, we will get 6a equal to 60 minus 10a and 16a equal to 60, and from here we will get a equal to 60 by 16. Simplify this, a equal to 15 by 4, and the required area of the square is equal to a square, and a square equal to 225 divided by 16 unit square, and this is the required answer. Now we will solve this question by second. We know that the equation of the line y equal to x will pass from this point, and from this point we can calculate this length. So this is the equation of the line y equal to x. Now if we compare these two equations, we can write x equal to minus 5x divided by 3 plus 10, and from here x plus 5x divided by 3 equal to 10. Multiplying both sides by 3, we will get 3x plus 5x equal to 30 and 8x equal to 30. From here we will get x equal to 15 divided by 4. So this point x is 15 divided by 4. It means the side of the square is 15 divided by 4. So the area will be equal to 225 divided by 16 units square, and this is the required answer. Which method do you like, and can you solve by some other method? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.